What's up guys, I'm George, and today in Maker's Best Friend, I'm going to show you how I made this American flag cutting board for the Instagram Builders Challenge. Check it out. I decided to use a combination of maple and oak for this project, but any combination of contrasting hard woods will work. I cut the lengths of the wood down to 2 sizes for the different runs of the flag stripes. Then I cut the widths in half to get each of these strips of wood down to 3/4 of an inch. I also used a table saw to cut a piece of maple for the union box of the flag. I'm not going to concentrate on the sizes here, but you can reference this proportions chart to determine what sizes you'd want to make your flag into. I then arranged all the pieces so that the different woods were alternating for the flag, starting and ending with the darker colored wood which represents the red stripe. I then glued up all the pieces together, which was more difficult than I thought since there are actually different directions that the wood needs pressure applied to it. And since the top piece isn't connected in the middle, this was causing for a lot of the parts to want to shift. Being careful not to have the glue run over, I used long pieces of wood as the border of the flag and used this to clamp everything together while it glued up. Since I'm using different types of wood for this product, I was finding that the different tolerances caused for some pieces to stick out, which meant I needed to plane the wood. My good friend Winston was able to help me out in his machine shop of horrors, and we were able to get the board both nice and even and nice and smooth, which meant we don't need to sand the piece. Thanks again, Winston, for all your help.
You're welcome.
I then decided to use my laser cutter to etch the stars onto this board. If you don't have a laser cutter, you can use several other wood burning techniques to get these stars onto the board. To finish the board off, I added tung oil onto the board, but you could use any food safe oil you'd like to use at this point. And then I was all done. So there you have it guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and like below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment below. I try to get back to every single one of you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Thanks again for watching guys.